sanding to take away all that rust. We have the detach. We have all the parts here. So we're gonna get to work to get it ready so we can install the LED lights that are gonna be in. See, there's still some rust that needs to be removed, as well as rust here on the base, but we'll do that later on. So as soon as we're finished, back bumper is completed. We just finished up sanding it, the tools, so we can move to the front and start on the front. The bumpers are completed, and we already sand everything in the front and in the back. So we're going to provide the lights to do the cuts and the installation under Jeff supervision, so the bumper job will be done this weekend, and that is a guarantee that it's going to be finished this weekend. I'm going to start doing some housekeeping because I got to install that light and put everything together before it gets dark. All right, second porch lamp has been installed, so we're gonna turn it on. You can see the right porch light is on, and then we go to the left side, and voila, left lamp, beautiful. Ready, ready, ready. We will be doing some painting later on, and we will continue reporting in Yaryis as progress comes.